Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Sabelo September. Today you're going to learn how to build your first WordPress site using Divi. Divi is a drag and drop website builder, which means you don't need any coding skills to build amazing website. Let's get to it. So in order to start building our website, we're gonna go over 3 steps. Step number one, which will be setting up our hosting to launch our WordPress. Step number two, installing the Divi theme. Step number three, setting up our WordPress to start working. So I'm in South Africa. The hosting company I use is hostafrica.co.za. I do have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to purchase your hosting. So the first thing we're going to need is a domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is literally the address people use to find your website. So we're going to go to search domain and we're going to say Divi tutorial search. Divitutorial.co.za is available. Like I said, I'm in South Africa, so a domain like .co.za would work for me. So I'm gonna go and select order now. As you can see here, it shows that the renewal period is 1 year, but check this red arrow here. It says no hosting. So we need hosting to host this website, right? Let's use this hosting tab right here so that you can easily see the options. Okay, so here you can select WordPress hosting, see hosting plans. As you can see here, the cheapest is 120 rand per month. You can host one domain, 100 subdomains, 25 email accounts. The following one is the basic pack where you can host 2 domains. Okay, we're just going to select the first, which is the starter. We'll say order now. Awesome. Okay, we already have a domain on our card. Remember, it's Divi tutorial. We're going to say use this domain. So for your first year, Host Africa gives you a free .co.za. And then scroll down. Okay, before pressing continue, just scroll down a little bit and select SSL, Auto SSL. Okay, so this is a free SSL certificate that will be added to your website, and select continue. Awesome. And we're gonna say continue again. We're not gonna add those add-ons. Awesome. Now we have our CMS starter. The first time setup would be 58 rand, and domain registration is 0. Like I said, free.co.za the first year, and the renewal will be 99 rand. Okay, now we've decided we're going with it. We're just gonna select checkout to make payment, and we are ready to set up our hosting account. Here where you can input your name, surname, your email address, cell number, all those important details. Set up your account while processing your hosting payment. Okay, after checkout, you're going to receive your WordPress logins, which is your domain name /w-admin. Okay, great. So the second thing we're going to do, go to Divi, and when it comes to Divi, we're gonna go and select pricing. Great. So as you can see here, simple pricing, complete access, unlimited websites. Okay, you can go with the yearly package. To support these videos, please use the affiliate link in my description to purchase your Divi. I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. Remember that. Okay, so the yearly access is $89 a year. You get access to Divi product updates, premium support, unlimited website usage. Okay, great. You can sign up for the $89 one, which is a yearly subscription, and you can use it on unlimited websites, which is awesome. Or you can go with the lifetime access package, which is $249 one time. You get access to Divi, extra bloom, everything you get with the yearly access. And with this one, you get lifetime updates, lifetime premium support, unlimited website usage, risk-free guarantee, one-time fee. Okay, the first package is great if you still want to check out this website thing, and when you've decided, you can just get your lifetime access. It's up to you. All right, so let's select the yearly access. Right here, we're gonna fill in your details, your username, email, your passwords, credit cards. After making payment, now you can go ahead and log in to your Divi right here. After logging in, you will see theme and plugin options. Here you have the Divi theme. This is an all-in-one WordPress theme and visual builder, or you can download the Divi builder plugin, which is just the plugin. But I recommend we download the Divi theme, which comes with the visual builder also. Okay, let's go ahead and select download the Divi theme. Now that Divi is downloading, let's go ahead and log into our cPanel real quick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one of my subdomains instead of purchasing a domain I'm not planning to use. cPanel, log into cPanel. You can log into cPanel that way, or use the cPanel logins they sent via your email. But with this one, if you log into your host Africa, you can just log in without a password, okay, which is way faster. Okay, so this is cPanel. This is where we can set up email accounts, install WordPress, all that good stuff to our hosting and domain package. So we're gonna say WordPress Manager by Softaculous on software, or you can see it over here. Click on it. Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead and select WordPress Manager over here at the top. As you can see here, when your hosting provider sends you those logins, when you get here, you're going to see there is a WordPress installation already. Okay, you can just select here. Okay, expand this and select remove this installation and start over. But we're not going to do that right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to install a fresh copy of WordPress. So I'm going to select install. This is literally how you're going to install your fresh installation. Right here, let's remove this WP right here. I'm not going to install on top of my main domain. I'm going to use tutorial.sablaseptember.co.za subdomain. Okay, so this is exactly how you're going to do it. You're just going to install it on your main domain. Okay, here I'm going to say Divi tutorial, site description, learn WordPress. We're just going to write learn WordPress. Okay, so now it's time to set up our admin account. So now I'm gonna import my username for my WordPress, my password. Okay, I want these to be sent to, I want these logins to be sent to my admin, main domain address. Awesome, looking good. HTTPS tutorial. Looking good, looking good. Scroll down. Everything looks good here. We select install. Okay, now WordPress site is installing. Now that we're done setting up our hosting, downloading Divi, and installing WordPress, it's time to set up our WordPress workstation. So we're going to be using main domain /wp-admin, okay, which is what you're going to see after installing your WordPress on Softaculous. This is the domain /wp admin. We're going to select that. Okay, that is the link you're going to use to log into WordPress. Let's set a couple of things up first, and then we'll continue and install Divi. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to settings. We'll go to permalinks. Let's go to permalinks. Okay, and set up our link structure. Okay, as you can see here, it says date, date and name. So when a user visits our site, the format will be our domain name, date, and name of the post. That's not what we want. We want post name, which is a way cleaner link structure. Okay, so our domain name and the post. So if it's a contact us page, it's going to be our domain name / contact us. Simple, straight to the point. We're going to save those changes. Okay, so another thing we're going to do, we're going to go to pages real quick. This is where you can add new pages to your website. As you can see here, we have default, privacy policy, sample page. We want to delete this. Let's select both of them. Select this drop down, move to trash. Okay, awesome. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add new. Okay, great. We're going to add a new page. This page, we're going to call it home. We're going to select publish. Okay, top right, publish. Awesome stuff. Now let's preview this page. How it looks. This is how it looks. It's just a plain, boring page. Awesome. We're going to take care of that. Now let's go to our dashboard again and hover over appearance. This is where we can set up new themes. As you can see, the default theme, it's 2023, which are free default themes that come with WordPress. Now what we're going to do, we're going to install Divi to our WordPress site. You're going to go ahead and select add new right here, and we're going to select choose file. We're going to go to our downloads. As you can see here, here's a Divi zip folder from our download, and we're going to select install. Awesome. Now you can see Divi is installed. We're going to go ahead and select activate Divi. Okay. When it comes to themes that are not in use, I like to delete them from my WordPress site. So you just select theme details, bottom right, you just select delete. This one also, delete. This one also, delete. Awesome stuff. So let's go ahead and visit site. All right, that is how our website looks now. As you can see, the logo on the header, it says Divi, which means our Divi theme is installed. Now we're going to move on to create our first Divi page. Awesome. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open dashboard, a new tab. Beautiful. I'm going to go to pages. Okay. So the first thing I want to do, when you type in our main domain, I want home to be the page that shows up. So I'm going to go to settings real quick and go to reading. Awesome. And go to your homepage displays your latest post. I don't want that. I want it to display a static page. So static page, home page, we're going to make it home. Okay, post page is not set up yet as we don't have a post page yet. Okay, so awesome stuff. And then we're going to go to pages now. Here you can select edit. So before I teach you any bad habits, guys, let's go back to our dashboard real quick. Let's discard changes and go back and go to Divi here. As you can see, there's a new tab called Divi. We're going to select Divi. Awesome. And we're going to go to updates right here. And here we're going to import our Divi API key. This is to activate our Divi builder. All right. So I'm going to go to my Elegant Themes account. Go to account. All right. On account, we're going to go to username and API. But I'm going to hide that from you guys. So it's going to be username and API. Now our Divi is active and ready. Okay, let's go ahead again and select Divi. Okay, so instead of having that Divi logo on our header, we're gonna change it. Okay, and in order to change it using the default header, I will show you how to create custom headers in future tutorial. But for this one, let's keep it simple. So I'm gonna use this one in general and go to upload logo. To upload, select files. Go to tutorial logos, and I'm going to select this dark tutorial gray. Okay, so I'm going to select set as logo, save image. Okay, so to build our home page, remember we can go to pages, edit the home page, edit with Divi builder, or we can simply go visit site while we are logged in. Awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do real quick, I'm just going to sort out this mess right here. As you can see, there's two home pages which kind of make no sense. Hover over here and select theme customizer real quick. Awesome. We're going to go to menus and we're going to create a menu. We're going to make it a primary menu. Select next and say the name is going to be main menu. Okay, main menu. Select next. Awesome stuff. Now we're gonna say add items, and we're gonna add our home page to this menu. Select publish. Now we only have one menu over there. Okay, we're gonna go to the top. Go to the top, typography. I want to set the default header here, header font. We're gonna select Poppins, and we're gonna select Poppins here for body font also. Poppins for body font also. Hit publish. Okay, let's go back. Layout setting. Content width. That's not what we're looking for. Let's go back. Let's go to header and navigation. And go to primary bar. I want to increase this logo size. We're going to increase the logo max height right here. Default font is going to be Poppins also. It's going to be Poppins. Publish. Awesome. Header elements. Show search icon. Remove that search icon. Let's go back. Awesome. Now let's remove this design by Elegant Themes right here. We're going to go to our footer and bottom bar. And we just select disable footer credits or enable them and write your content. Okay, company name, to change that. And you can change the text color. Okay, but for now, I'm just going to say disable footer credits. Okay, and go back. Go to footer elements. Deselect on show social icons. Now we have a clean page. I'm going to go to widgets real quick. And let's just select this pen right here. It's going to take us to where these widgets are. Okay, we'll just clean up this page real quick. Okay, remove that. Remove heading. Remove this also. And we'll select publish. Oh, there's still another one here. Hey, you. Where are you? Categories. Where are you, man? Oh, here is it. Okay, delete. Categories. Make sure that section is gone. Publish. All right. Now we have a clean looking page. We can start building our first Divi page. The first thing we're going to do to build our first page, on our home page, we can just select enable visual builder instead of going back to our dashboard, select pages, edit pages. Okay, so we're going to select enable visual builder. Same thing if you're on about or another page, you can just select enable visual builder on that page and you can start redesigning that page. Okay, we're going to select enable visual builder. After selecting visual builder, we have an option to select build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, clone existing page from your website. We're going to select choose a pre-made layout. This is a beginner tutorial. Okay, after that, make sure you are logged in to your Divi account. Let's say you like this layout. We're just going to select this event or coordinator. As you can see here, you can select about layout, contact layout. For this home page, we're going to select the home layout. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to use this layout, you can just select use this layout and it will be loaded to your home page. Okay, import. Now you can see the layout is loaded on your page and you can edit whatever you want on this page. Okay, so let's say if we want to change this text, like on a text document on Divi, you can just select on it like this, select the text and we edit. We say we host epic shows, for example. The same thing if you want to change this text right here, you can just go ahead and write whatever you want. Okay, awesome. On the border text right here, there is a button. Let's say you want to change the text on this button, you can just double click on it and you can say learn and say learn more. Awesome. To decide what you want that button to do, you can just go to link and link it to wherever you want that button to go on the page, okay, or website. Scroll down a little bit. Let's say you want to change this image right here. You can just double click on it. There's this L type shaped graphic element that is used to create this effect, and it's covering the background image. Okay, look at it. This is the background image. To change that background image, you can just select and select, let's select this. All right, now that image has changed. We select OK. Okay, we'll scroll down. The same thing over here. To change these icons right here, you can just double click on it, delete, select image. You select a different icon, maybe. Okay, select this one, maybe. Now that icon has changed. Select that one again. Now we're back to that icon. Okay, and that's how easy it is to edit a Divi website. You just click, drag and drop, type in the data you want to type in, upload the file to replace the content. It's that easy, guys. Let's say this section I want it to be on top here. I can just drag it like this, drag it to the top like this, and as you can see this line here, now it's in between these sections. Okay, but let's say I want to change this background, this orange background right here. I can just go to this section settings right here and see where that is at. Okay, as you can see here, they use a gradient stop effect. Okay, so they use a gradient effect and have a sharp stop at 50%. I can just click on that 50% one and change that color to a color I prefer. That's how easy it is, guys, to go up with this thing. Okay, let's scroll up a little bit. Okay, so let's say we don't want to use a layout, we want to create a page from scratch. We can do that. Let's go ahead to our dashboard real quick. Go to pages, add a new page. Okay, and this page I want to make it a contact us page. Okay, a contact us page. Okay, I'm gonna select publish real quick. Okay, and we're gonna select use Divi builder. Okay, while we edit, we're gonna say build from scratch. We're not gonna select choose a pre-made layout. We're gonna say build from scratch and select start building. Okay, over here you can see there is a section. The blue rectangle line represents a section, which is the parent section. And then inside the section, we have rows. The green represents row, add row. And we can decide if we want a 2-column row where maybe on the left we can have text or image, and on the right we can have a form or an image. Doesn't matter. Okay, for example, select 2-column row. Okay, and then after selecting your row, you can insert modules now. So inside rows, we have modules. Okay, so let's say we're gonna want an image for this one. We say image module. Okay, and our image module, let's just add this thing right here. Upload. That's our image. Okay, next to our image, we want to add text. Okay, and this is a text editor right here. Okay, great. And then we can write whatever we want to write, but this is a contact section. This is not how I would approach it. What I will do, I will go and select add a new section. Regular, this is a regular section, specialty, and full width. Full width, it's when you're looking for a section that's designed to fill up the whole width of the website, and it has its own full width modules. Okay, so we're going to select full width, and we're going to select full width header. Awesome. Let's delete this. Boom, this is our full width header. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to say type in contact us, and please send us a message if you have Any questions right here? Now it's time to introduce you to the design tool for Divi, which customizes everything to our liking. So I'm going to go to the module setting right here, and voila, this is where we can edit our content. It says contact us here. As you can see on title, it says contact us. Let's say if I want to change the size of that contact us, I can just go to design. This is where we can customize our page. This is CSS for people who are using HTML and CSS. So we're going to go to design, go hover over title text. As you can see, it tells you this is what you're going to edit when you click on this one. This is what you're going to edit and click on when you click on this one. Okay, so we're going to say title text, and we're going to make sure it's poppins, and we want it to be ultra bold. Okay, I want the title text alignment to be centered. Awesome. And go down, and let's increase the title text size. Okay, let's say 52. I like how that looks. I'm gonna say 52, and let's close that. Let's go to our body text and make it center aligned also, and increase the body text size a little bit. Let's do 16. Okay, click this three dot icon right here, select save. Now let's go to content real quick and go to link. Okay, as you can see, we have a click here button. We can select this paint tool on top of the element to switch to its design tab, or just go to design and go to button 1. And we're going to say use custom styles for button 1. Okay, we want button 1 to be styled. So the button 1 text color, I want it to be, let's say white. We'll leave it as white. And let's go for the border, button 1 border. Let's remove that border. Let's go to button 1 background. We're going to make it black. Okay, awesome. Let's scroll down and look for the alignment. Button 1 alignment. Where are you? Okay, button 1 icon placement. No. Button 1. Okay, let's go to layout and say text and logo layout. Make it center. Now that button is center. We'll just use the whole section layout. Okay, text and logo center. Awesome. Let's select OK. Now, as you can see, it says contact us. Okay. Now I want to add an image to this section. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to section settings. I'm going to go to the module settings and go down to background. I'm going to delete this color and go to background image right here. Select add background image. Obviously, we're going to use images that make sense, but for this one, I'm just going to select any image. Let's just select this one. Upload image. As you can see, now that image is our background. Okay. But for our text to stand out more, I like to add a gradient color. Okay, which is a mix of multiple colors. That's what gradient is. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this purple one. Make it transparent a little bit. Select OK. And select another color. Select the black one. Make it transparent a little bit. Select OK. Let's scroll down. We're going to say place gradient above background image and change the gradient direction. Okay, that looks good. Now that click here button doesn't show well, we're going to double click on it and go to design. Okay, button 1. Let's make the button text black and the background white instead. Okay, looking good. Now we want to have a form right here. Okay, and we're going to say add another section for our form, but first let's increase the space in between this content. Okay, this is what we call padding, but using the tag like that. Okay, 150. Okay, quick and go to contact us. I want the title line height to be something like 1.4 so that there's distance between oh, it's already set. let's leave it at 1.6 and select OK. Now let's add a new section real quick, guys. And now we're gonna add a regular text. Okay, and on this text, we're just gonna say send a header to text. Okay, so when you go to design and go to heading text, we're gonna select H2. On the same module, we can just arrow down and write any questions or whatever you want to write here. Any questions? Okay, as you can see that type in form, contact form. Awesome. Now we have a contact form that people can type in information. And info at tutorials, info at your email address, and select OK. These videos one by one until you get this thing. All right, so I'm going to select settings first. I'm going to go to design real quick and go to for example, in this module, when I increase the top and bottom module, I'm creating breathing room for those form fields. Go to background and let's add this purple background on it, and go to design, go to spacing. As you can see, it's nice. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing. Go to buttons to edit this button, all that good stuff. Okay, but this we're just gonna go to theme customizer right here, go to menu, select plus. Awesome. Okay, let's exit this theme customizer. I'll be going much more deeper in future videos. And if you are into WordPress website development, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. My name is Sabelo September. I will see you in the next video.